Hi again! Welcome to our Module 4. In the previous modules, we learned how to use simple functions as sum, for example, okay? And also how to use simple mathematical expressions, multiplication, division, sum, and subtraction, okay? But now we're going to learn how to use the conditional formatting and the conditional functions. For example, how can I fill a cell with green, in a green color or in a green text, if the number is bigger than 0, for example? Or how can I use the red color for numbers which are negative, for example? So now we're going to learn how to create those conditional formattings and to use the conditional functions. Okay? So what we have here, it's the mini markets in Brazil, for example. So you need to open your example 4, introduction to functions, okay, in your course material. And also we have the cities in Brazil, okay, and the sales from food, drink, cleaning, educational, and the total, okay. Also, each one of the cities have a target of $900,000, okay. So here is the total. If you click on this cell, which is the cell G6, it's in number, but if you create the function sum equals sum, parentheses, and use this range of cells, okay, C6 to F6, you press enter, and it'll be the same total here. You can double click here to use the autofill, and it will be the same total for any one of the cities, okay? So what we need to do is create a label here on the column I, okay, to hit the target. So what we need to do is, did this city, in this case São Paulo, hit the target of 900,000? Of course yes, because the total is more than 1 million, okay? But we need to create this for all of the cities below, okay? So the function we need to learn is this function if. So you need to press equal, if, open your parentheses, okay? And to learn this function, we need to learn those 3 variables in these functions. The first one is the logical test. What is our logical test in this case? So the logical test is this total greater or less than the target? Okay? So if value is true, okay. If value is false, not okay. So what we need to do is this cell here greater than this one? So G6 greater or equal the target, which is 900,000. You press semicolon, okay? Value if true. If true, you're gonna open the quotation marks, okay? And you're gonna type hit the target, okay? You close with the quotation marks, you press semicolon again, and the value if false, open the quotation marks again, and write did not hit the target, okay? Close the marks and close the parentheses, okay? So you're gonna press enter, and of course it hit the target, okay? So if you just double click to use the autofill, you can see everything here hit or didn't hit the target, okay? So now there's a point of attention here, because if you click to open the cell or using F2, okay, I'm gonna delete the formula, okay, until here. G6 is greater than or equal to H6, okay? And if you check these 2 variables, value if true and value if false, those variables are inside brackets. Those brackets means those variables are conditional, okay? So if you don't type those conditionals, the function will return 0 if true or false if false, okay? So let's try it. If you close the parentheses and press enter, and you're gonna change the number from custom to general here, you're going to see 0. And if you drag down a little bit using the autofill form, you can see here where it was did not hit the target, now it's false. And where is hit the target is now 0. Okay? So I'm going to complete the function just for you to know. But there are two ways to use the function if. Okay? So again, hit the target for value if true. And didn't hit the target if value is false, okay? I'm going to complete using the autofill too, okay? So this is the function if. If you have hit the target, you're okay. If you didn't have the target, you're not okay. So thanks for listening.